Brett's vacation's over. We're gonna get videos rolling again.
He is lacking on the video, so let's give him a call.
Where's he been? He's been gone for months.
He's probably been hanging out with Chris.
Bueno.
What are you doing? It's time for you to quit slacking, and I think it's time to start making some new videos. What do you think about that?
I'm about to pull up. I guess we'll do it again.
We got film crew here, and they're ready to rock.
I mean, who gets a 2-month vacation? Like, that's my question. But let him have it, Pedro.
It's that time again. You guys thought you were gonna get rid of us that quick? You thought wrong. We just had to take a vacation. I was tired of looking at Dane's face and tired of looking at that screen. We're gonna go ahead and get the crazy deals going. We're gonna go ahead and do the whole month of, what is it, March? Shit, the rest of March, free level kit with any wheel and tire purchase with a free alignment. We got some crazy builds coming up. We're getting ready to go through that whole system. So right now I'm gonna walk through some stuff. I'm gonna start rambling off prices. So we got 20x9s and 20x10s going for around $22.80 wheels, tires with sensors. It's gonna be both of these rows right here. We got a whole nother deal. We're starting Wheel Wednesday. You'll be seeing that loaded up on 2212s on Wednesday. Stay tuned on that. We're about to do a whole special on 26 street style wheels. Everything that's in stock is going to be a massive sell. I want it out of the showroom. Got to get out of here. I'm putting a new floor down. You guys aren't even ready for this year. I'm just going to tell you right now, I got 5 trucks going to SEMA. We weren't going to build anything this year. I'm tired of hearing all the crap in Kansas City. I'm taking it back and taking it over. That's all I got.